So let us continue with our next example 2.57. Find the sum of first part 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 16 cube. Till 16 cube we have to find. So second part is 9 cube plus 10 cube till 21 cube. So let us start a solution of first part 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till 16 cube. Okay, you already know the number of terms. Okay, so we will substitute, that is 16 in the place of n in this formula. You already know the formula for cubes, sum of the cubes, no? So that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. So we will substitute it in it. So we will get, after cancelling, we will get 136 whole square, which is 18,496. So our second part is 9 cube plus 10 cube till 21 cube. That is, you already know, this is not in the order form of natural numbers. So we'll start with 1 cube and till 21 cube we are going to find. So we'll first find till 1 cube, the sum till 1 cube till 21 cube. Then we'll subtract it with 1 cube with 8 cube. Okay, so we should take this whole thing, then we should subtract this small part, we'll get this big part. Okay, so that is, you already know the number of terms here, which is 21. That is 1 to 21 is 21 terms. Keep it in mind. And minus 1 to 8 is 8 terms only. So we'll substitute in the place of n both of them. We'll get 231 whole square minus 36 whole square, which is 52,065. That's it. So our example number 2.58. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n equal to 666, then we are going to find n. See, the sum itself they are given in the question, 666. Okay, so we are going to find the number of terms only. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the general formula for sum of n natural numbers. So we'll substitute it with 666. So we'll get this 2 will go that side and it will become multiplication of 6 and 666. That is, it will get 1332. So this n into n plus 1 will be the same and we'll multiply it with inside. N into n is n square and n into 1 is 1. And we'll take this 1332 this side. So which is equal to 0. This will become minus. And when we factorize this equation, okay, come on, do your factorization now. Okay, now pause the video and do it. Now I'll tell you the answer. N plus 37 into n minus 36 equal to 0. So this will be n plus 37 equal to 0 means n equal to minus 37. Numbers cannot be negative now. Number of terms cannot be negative. I have already told you. So n minus 36 equal to 0, n equal to plus 36. This can be the number. Okay. So but n not equal to minus 37 since n is a natural number. Natural number is not negative and some number of terms should not be negative at all. So hence n equal to 36. That's it. So let us start our exercise number 2.9. Okay. So our first part is find the sum of the following series. Okay. In that first part is 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 60. Second part is 3 plus 6 plus 9 till 96. And third part is 51 plus 52 plus 53 till 92. And fourth part is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 till 225. Okay. Fifth part is 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square till 21 square. And sixth part is 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube till 20 cube. And seventh part is 1 plus 3 plus 5 till 71. Okay. So we have given 7 questions. We'll solve it one by one. So our first part solution 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 till 60. So you already know sigma n 1, which is n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This sigma is compulsory, but it is very easy to know what is the number down and up. Up is n. What is the n number? We should put it up. And what is the starting number? We should put it down. That's it. Okay. Very, very easy. You will not confuse it with it, I think. Okay. So n equal to 60 means 60 into 60 plus 1 divided by 2 is, we'll get 830. Okay. So second part solution 3 plus 6 plus 9 till 96. Okay, which is you already know. You should take this 3 out, means you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 32. You will get 32. So I am putting it here. So you already know 3 into here sigma is up of sigma. You should write the number of terms, which is 32, and down is the starting number, which is 1. You should not write 3 for the starting number, because 3 you have took out. Now only this is your n natural numbers. So you will take 1 here, then n equal to 3 into n plus n into n plus 1 by 2, which is 3 into you will substitute 32 in the place of that, then you will get 1584. You do the calculations yourself, then only you will get practice with it. So our third part is 51 plus 52 plus 53 till 92. You can see that from 51 it is continuing the natural numbers. So before 51 only we don't know. Now we'll just do the what we did in the previous sums. Okay, so which is we'll find 1 to 92, then we'll subtract 1 to 50, which is a before number of 51. Then we'll get sigma 92 by 1 n minus sigma 50 by 1 n. So which is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n equal to 92 and here n equal to 50. So we'll find it. We'll find the solution, which is 46 into 93 minus 25 into 51. We'll get 4278 minus 1275, which is 3003. That's it. So our next part solution, 1 plus 4 plus 9 till 225. We can know that these are the squares of some natural numbers. So we'll take, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square till 15 square it is there. Okay, so you already know what is the sum of squares of n natural numbers formula is, which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So first we are finding sigma n by 1, which is n square. So sigma 15 by 1, which is n square. So we'll get 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15 plus 1 divided by 6. So we'll get the final answer as 40 into 31 as 1240. Okay. So our fifth part answer is 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square till 21 square. You already know what is happening here. So this is from this the natural number squares are continuous, but before that we don't know. So we'll get 1 to 21 first, then we'll subtract it with 1 to 5. Okay, that's it. We are doing it here only. So you can see n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, where n equal to 21, minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, where n equal to 5. So when we do the calculations, you will get 77 into 43 minus 55, which is 3311 minus 55, which is 3256. Okay, you see what I have done, then you will do it by yourself. Okay, so our sixth part solution is 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube till 20 cube. You know what I am doing here. Till from starting with 10 till 20 it is continuous, but here the 9 numbers are missing. So we'll just find the whole thing, then we'll subtract 1 cube till 9 cube. Okay, so that only I'm doing. You'll write this steps cumulatively. So sigma is 20 by 1 n cube minus sigma 9 by 1 n cube. So you'll find n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus where n equal to 20. This is very important to write. N into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square, which is n equal to 9. So that is 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square into 9 plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square, which is 20 into 21 divided by 2. So here itself you can, inside you can cancel it any number. Okay, so 10 is 10 into 21 the whole square, and here 2 into 10 is 2 divided by 10 is 5, then 9 into 5 the whole square it will be, which is 210 whole square, and 45 whole square, which is 44,100 minus 2025. We will get 42,075. So our next part solution is 1 plus 3 plus 5 till 71, which is equal to n square. Okay, it is given in the question. So n you already know. See, this is odd numbers. You should check it. Odd numbers means if the last number is given also, we don't know the n numbers, that is number of terms. So we'll find that first. So n equal to L minus A by D plus 1, which is 71 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 36. Okay. So I already told you about this formula. You can square it easily. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5 till 71 is 36 square, which is 1296. Okay. So how did I find the D? You know T2 minus T1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2 only. Okay.